Hello and welcome. We're going to be doing a tutorial on using Microsoft Excel to create a budget. The first thing you're going to do, and the most important part of any budget, is setting it up correctly. At the top of your screen, you're going to type in item, units, cost, sub, and total. This is going to be a budget for moving out on your own, having an apartment, having a car, having college-related expenses for demonstration purposes. So, the first thing you're going to have is you're going to have rent. You're going to have an electric bill, gas, water, internet, mobile devices, food, now I'm going to start putting in units. You're going to do 20, so you're going to go to actually from 2 to 21 when you fill these in. Okay? But for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to 8. Okay? Units is how many you're going to pay each month. So let's say you're paying rent, just for demonstration purposes, twice a month, and the rent is $400 every 2 weeks. Usually it's once a month, but sometimes if you make a mortgage payment, it can be actually every 2 weeks. Say your electric bill once a month, and the electric bill, say, is $50 for an apartment. Gas bill once a month, and let's say your gas is $25. Your water bill is once a month, and you are going to pay $25 for your water bill. Internet, you have a pay-as-you-go plan. You end up paying twice a month at $25. You have a pay-as-you-go phone. You pay twice a month, $20. Your food is a weekly expense, so it's going to be 4 times in a month. And let's say when you go to the market, you're going to spend $50. So the item is what you're buying or spending money on. The unit is how many times you're going to spend this money. And the cost is the each cost. So you're going to pay $400 every 2 weeks for rent. You're going to buy food 4 times a month, and you're going to spend $50 each time you go to the store. Now this is how you calculate the subtotal, which is asking the question, how much money am I spending on rent for the total month? So you're going to multiply 400 times 2. How you do this in a formula is first you hit the equal key to tell Excel that you're doing an equation. You click on one of the numbers you want to multiply. You put the times symbol in, which is the asterisk button. And then you click the other number you want to multiply, and then you hit enter. So equals, click on a number you want to multiply, asterisk, click on the other number you want to multiply, enter. Equals, click on the number you want to multiply, times, click on the other number, enter. And you just keep doing this for each. Equals 25 times 2 equals 20 times 2 equals 50 times 4. Okay? So again, you're going to do this, but you're going to go all the way from line 2 to 21. So you're going to have 20 items recorded. To figure out the total, this is called a running total. And it answers the question, how much money have I spent so far? you start the second line and not the first, because you already know how much you've spent so far here, which is $800. So you start the second line. How much have you spent on rent and electricity? Equals, click on the cell that you want to add, plus click on the other cell you want to add, and enter. So on rent and electricity, you've spent $850. Now we're going to add the rest of them. How you do that is you hit the equal key, you add the last total plus the current subtotal. Equals, click on the top, plus, click on the side, enter. Equals, last total plus current subtotal, enter. Equals, click on the top, plus, click on the side, enter. Equals, click on the top, plus, click on the side, enter. Okay? So again, you're going to add the total, and you're going to go all the way to line 21. You know you're doing this correctly because the numbers are getting larger. At line 22, you put your name, period, date, and then assignment, house budget. So there are a few things that you can do to make this look a little better. First, you can bold the top, and then you can bold the bottom. This is going to be empty, item 21. These are actually dollars. So after you're done with the whole spreadsheet, you can then go to the dollar sign up here and hit the dollar sign. And now you have a nice clean spreadsheet.